friends, today I want to show you guys another workboots for Amazon approved that have or any work that requires shoes with composite toe. So I've got another one. Amazon require wearing in future work shoes that have composite toe, so people have to get them. I got one that I unboxed, but in case they don't fit well, I've got another one that were on sale actually. Maybe we'll keep them. And the brand is Cat. They came in this nice box, but I think they were tried on because they have LPN sticker, which often means they were already purchased. But they were not used, just hope they were not used. Maybe they were tried on at home, or maybe they were used once. I'm not sure, but let's open them. So here we are. It just looks like this. Ta-da! So it just looks like this. I must admit I was drawn to them because I like the color, which is pink. I have something else about them that I might think they were used once. Because they have small stains, like here for example, on that thingy, a little bit on the sole, but if they were on them maybe once, but actually they look new and I already tried them on. That's why they are a little cringes here. So they really interesting. They are lightweight kind of for this kind of shoes. We have non-metallic composite toe, which means they are lighter. I've got them in size 10 and width is wide. They have nice color. Here we have that toe composite one. Here on side we have like kind of material that is breathable, meshy kind. Here it looks like this, and I also like that we have those loops here. Here we have something that prevents from getting rubs in the back of the leg, which is really nice because we have this additional flexible foamy stuff. So very good quality, and the sole is also pink, really nice, and it says slip resistant and oil resistant. Here inside they have a removable insole, which is good quality, but not super thick, but it's nice. So yeah, they are really nice boots. They have this interesting design and long color, but let's see how they fit, if they really comfortable or not, because that's count too. So here we are on me. From first impression, it seems comfortable and really like how they look. They look really cute, like so. This one can be tight even more. Here. And here and here. Actually, I don't even feel right now that we have that steel toe or non-steel toe, so very not bad. So it looks like this. Very nice. And I feel comfortable, but I still have a little bit hard, especially here, this area inside. I would feel better maybe with different insert, because I feel like slightly hard, so I might change insert in them to have a little softer. For the length, they are even half size bigger, because I feel like still could have a size. I mean, like still could have some room, but I wouldn't suggest getting your real size, because then you will feel that end of shoe with harder surface. They are not too bad, but I think they still need some like slightly better inside. Inside, then I will feel better, because in my sneakers that I'm currently wearing, they have nice insert, because I got additional one. These ones I can put them insert in these ones. Let's see how it feels. Now I start to feel like edges of that harder parts somewhere here, so that concerns me. But I will be comfortable full shift. Hopefully, but if not, then I will try some different style. Yeah, I feel a little bit hard. So I had put in left one different insert, and I already feel different. I'm more comfortable, at least in one place, which is toe area. But still, we are. Oh, and I could add another insert that I wear, which is half insert. We could then elevate part of heel. Yeah, but I'm not sure yet, because they are comfortable but not super comfortable. Maybe that's why they were on sale. I mean, they're comfortable, but maybe they need some break in to make them better when it comes to comfort. But it also depends, because yesterday this one was feeling worse and today this one feels worse. So I don't know what's going on. If it's the way you tie them or what. Yeah, I feel like the engine of that stupid steer toes. But only in one today. This one feels comfortable. Maybe it's just socks. Yeah, I think it's also how you put socks. But there's to wear thicker socks with them. Okay. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. It can be also worn like this way, that you don't lace them all the way up, only the up to 5th one eyelet. Yeah. So they still stay and they don't slip one foot, so that's good. And heel part is very comfortable, just that insert will come with, and the part where is toes it's more hard. But maybe I change it.